But going into the market of crypto, it doesn't seem like too much has changed in the last week.
Yep.
We're still holding around 20,000. I know you've been preaching patience, and again, patience is just so hard when we see these fluctuations on a daily basis. But that's still the strategy, right?
Same story as last week, Aaron. I've been saying this is going to take months to play out. There's
Yeah.
not money to be made in cryptos right now, in my opinion. I mean, there's money to be made from a trader perspective,
Okay.
buy it on dips, sell it on rips,
Yep.
do the
Yeah.
2 week stuff. Like, there's money to be made there. But in terms of long-term investment, there's not money to be made in cryptos right now. This is an accumulation period. This is a
Yeah.
period wherein I think we have hit the bottom or close to the bottom. I feel like the final leg of the sell-off was that heartbeat, heavy volume, rapid 30K to 20K plunge. We actually got down to 17.5. Kind of felt like a bottoming type capitulation moment. And then now I feel like we're just consolidating and bouncing around the 20K level. I continue to expect that to hold. This is a time where you accumulate your favorite cryptos, your high quality projects. You just accumulate them. Not with the expectation you're going to make money by the end of the year, but with the expectation that in a rolling 3-5 year basis, you are going to make a lot of money, because my base case outlook again is consolidation into the end of the year. My base case for stocks, again, remember, we get that pivot by the Fed in the fourth quarter. That's going to cause a U-turn in the markets. It's going to cause risk sentiments to come back. It's going to cause stocks to form a new bull market. Right around that same time, I think that extends around over to cryptos. But at the same time with cryptos, you have the Bitcoin halving in the first quarter of 2024, right? So normally boom cycles for crypto happen 12 months before a halving. First quarter of 24, you got the halving. First quarter of 23, history says that's when the new boom cycle starts. So if the Fed does this U-turn and inflation disintegrates, risk sentiments improve fourth quarter of 22, then for cryptos, you also have the additional catalyst in the first quarter of 23 of everyone looking forward to the Bitcoin halving in 2024. So that's kind of like a cocktail for a pretty big move higher in the crypto markets in 23. So I don't think you have to wait that long, but you got to wait longer than 6 months. So I would say this is an accumulation period before a new boom cycle gets started in 23. And that boom cycle lasts 12 months before the halving into 24, 12 months after the halving into 25, probably has some runway after that. So I think that we bottomed, we consolidate, we boom for 2 or 3 years, and then the same rodeo happens all over again in 26. So I think you just got to be patient. I know it's an overused word, but you got to be patient with cryptos. This is not the time to go out there and say we're going to make hundreds of percent on a coin. No, we're going to buy our favorite coins. We're going to hunker down in them. We're going to chill out, and we're going to make money in 23, 24, 25. That's the situation in cryptos right now.
Thanks for watching HGI Clips. For the full episode, head on over to our sister channel at Hypergrowth Investing by clicking the link in the description, or listen to the podcast on any of your favorite streaming platforms. We make new episodes every Wednesday, so make sure to check it out and subscribe to never miss any of Luke's Hypergrowth insights.